Okay guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor Builder. So first of all, go to plugins, add new, and type here Elementor Builder. So this is our Elementor page builder. Just click install. So when you type the Elementor builder here, so you can see a lot of Elementor plugins here. So this is a header and footer, this is a elements kit Elementor essential premium add-on for Elementor, any a lot of Elementor plugins here. So I will tell you later, so this all of them. So keep join me and learn more from me. Okay, so this is working right now, installing. So this is depend on your your internet speed, and let's see how we fast we can install this one. It's take a little bit time. Now it's install. Just go and click activate. Okay, now go to make one page. Here is our element, right? So this one I made already one page. Just add and just create a page. I will go and you know see my Elementor first page. Bingo. So this is our Elementor page. So you learn today so how to download that, right? And how to create a page and how you see that. So next time I will tell you, because I'm making Elementor series, so that's why you can join me and see how to we can learn the Elementor, okay? Because my topic is like Elementor education, so that's why keep toss me so I can teach you one by one. This all parts I will teach you how to put this one, and this is just like for the free version. So I will teach you like in pro version also, but pro version you have to buy that. So that's why. So keep join me. Go and subscribe that first. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.